Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your TCL SE NXTpaper. So first, what you guys need to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. When you use the metallic one, then it might only make things worse. So use a non-metallic tool like a soft brush. Then try and test the mic in a voice recorder app or any other app, like maybe try and call your friend. So I've got a phone here, you guys can try and call your friends or family, doesn't matter, call somebody and test your mic if it works. Now what you guys can do is update the software to fix the mic glitches. So go to settings. Here in the settings we need to scroll down a bit until we see the system. Now system update, and here it will check automatically. As you guys can see, your system is up to date, so we have nothing to worry about. If you do not have the latest version, then I recommend you guys updating it, because once you update, then you might get rid of the mic glitches. And as a last resort, leave the system update. Scroll down and back up your phone first here. In the Google One backup, go to reset options, and here click on the erase all data as a factory reset. Basically everything will be deleted, your Google account, downloaded apps, personal information and much more, but you still have a backup, so there's nothing to worry about. You will get everything back with the data, of course. And now if the factory reset did not help you, then the issue might be with the phone itself, so I recommend you guys bringing it to the service center to get a more professional diagnosis made by a technician and not me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a comment, subscribe and like. Bye.